Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Google Play support. First, open your browser. Now search for Google Play Help and open the official support website. Once the page opens, scroll down and look for the Contact Us or Help and Support option. Click on it. Now you will see different help categories like apps, payment, subscription or account issues. Select the issue you need help with. After selecting it, Google will show available support options such as live chat, email support or help articles depending on your region. Choose the option that works the best for you and follow the instructions to connect with support. And that's it. That's how you contact Google Play support. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.